In this video, we're going to be using Bootstrap to build an application, or I'm sorry, a page that is laid out more or less this way, where you have somewhat of a third, two-third split, where you have like a left-hand side that takes up about a third of the page, and then you have a right-hand side which takes about two-thirds of the page, and it's responsive, right? As you move as you resize the page, notice that everything changes position uh, proportionally, and when you reach a particular threshold, the left-hand side, since it doesn't fit anymore, it disappears, and you're only left with the right-hand side, right? And the whole page is responsive. Notice that the headers, right, the left header and the right header, um, move along with the bottom content. So the left header always stays on top of the left content, and the right header stays above the right content. And eventually, the left header and the left content just disappear, just leaving us with the right content. All right, so let's build something like this. So let's start off by creating a page where we can do our work. Let's go into assignments, and let's create a page that lists websites, right? Or allows us to create or edit or list existing websites. And so let's create a web page. We'll call it website list.html, and so we'll call this website list in the title. Let's load some Bootstrap in here. We'll say link, and let's go up to CSS directory. Let's bring in the Bootstrap library, and we'll tell the browser that this is a style sheet. There we go. What we'd like to be able to do here is to create the left side and the right hand side content. Let's start with that, and then we can add other content later on. So let's start by adding the left and right content. To do that, we're going to be using Bootstrap rows and columns classes. Right? So let's add here an outer div that is going to be the container of the left and right side. So we'll say class, and this will be a row, and we'll have two columns. Now in the columns, there's different size columns, and what we're going to do is that we want to maintain this layout of left and right from small screens to larger screens. But for the extra small screens, like on a phone and on portrait mode, we would not want this layout. So I want to maintain for the smaller screen, I want to have a split of a third and two-thirds. Now, if the whole screen is 12 units wide, that would mean that it would be three. If you want to split it into a third and two-thirds, that would be 3/3. So a third, that's 4, right? So it's 12 divided by 3, that's 4. So size 4. That's a third of 12. So it would be the left content, and then on the right content, it's going to be here. It's going to be of size. Let's see, it would be 8, right? So that's 2/3 of 12. So it would be the right-hand side. Okay. So let's look at this page now. Let's load it, and that's located at assignment, and under assignment, it's website list. So website list.html. There we go. So we have a left-hand side and a right-hand side, and they stay together, right, up until you reach the smaller screen, right? Oh, I'm sorry, the extra small screen. On the extra small screen, the layout disappears, and you're only left with just the normal layout of divs, right, one on top of another. And so what we'd like to be able to do is for that left-hand side to disappear when the screen is when it's way too small, right? So what we could do now is to add an additional class here again, another Bootstrap class that hides content at different screen sizes. Right. So, for instance, there's a hidden class that can hide content either when the screen is as an extra small or large or medium. So we want to hide the left-hand side when the screen is way too small on the extra small. Right? So if we reload this page and now we start resizing this, notice that the left-hand side just disappears when the screen is too small. See that? And we're just left with the right-hand side. All right. Okay, great. So we want to do something similar for the header as well, but we'll show you that in the next video.